Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial about how to replace the batteries at the first alert smoke alarm. The model number is SA320, and you already heard this strange beeping. So that means the battery is low and it has to be replaced. So usually it should blink every second. Seems it doesn't do that anymore, or at least it's beeping about once in a minute. So okay, it's time to replace. Yeah, you heard the beep again, that's good. Yeah, it's mounted, it's attached usually to a bracket. Sometimes it's secured, then you have to remove the security pin first, and yeah, then it's you have your unit in your fingers, but it is not necessarily in a position that you can open the battery compartment because there's not a lock. Here on the side you can see yeah, here you can insert a bolt or a pin to secure it additionally, not only to the bracket but also secure the battery compartment, like if you have it installed in a hotel or something like that. In a single family home it doesn't make any sense usually, because when you have it up in like let's say 6 or 7 feet high, then small children won't be able to access and open it, whatever. So if you have this bolt, there's somewhere here, you can use a flathead screwdriver underneath and pull it out. So here there's no bolt, you can see, but it's still quite good, secured against opening the battery compartment. So how do you do that? Here you see the latch which you can grab with your finger. So here, and the question is only how to pull and where to pull. Is it to this side or more to this side? So it is to this side down. When you have this button button at the bottom, oh my goodness, yeah, then it's down like this. So you have to pull really hard and then it should come out. Okay, don't know anymore if you can fully pull it out. It's secured again, but I think you can push these two flaps and then push them out. So here one and the other one, yeah, see? Okay, and then we see there's a plus here and the minus here, so that means it should be like this. Okay, so let's push it back to the unit. You heard this beeping, I hope that's okay. It should blink then every second actually, if it's okay. I don't see this blinking, that's a little bit strange. So at least let's do the test. So we have to push here and then it should make 3 loud beeps and then I think flashing and beeping 3 times again. So probably it will be loud, so you have to turn the volume a little bit down. Okay, that's it, or that was it. I think it should be good. The only thing is, I don't know why it's not blinking. So yeah, I have to watch this for certain time. Yeah, I'm not fully convinced, but without the green light, but actually the test with this button actually worked, so I guess it's okay for now. Maybe I have to check the instructions again, but maybe take some time until it starts flashing. It's really strange a little bit, so yeah. Okay, I checked the instructions again, and it's saying it only has to flash once in a minute with a green light, so you have to be really patient and wait for a long time, and after 1 minute you should see a short green flash, and then it's okay. And more green flashing means low battery, so it should be on for 2 seconds, off for 2 seconds, on for 2 seconds again, so like more rapidly flashing green, but still green, and that means battery low. I think that's a little bit strange, because I would expect battery low to be indicated with a red light, not with a green light, but you will get used to that when you have when you have it over time. You will know that the one blinking in a minute, once in a minute, is okay, and once every 2 seconds is not okay, or means low battery. So yeah, I think that's it. I mean, when you're not really sure about this, you can long press here at the button, and then you will hear this very loud beeping 3 times, and red flashing, and three times beeping again. And yeah, what I have noticed also, when you do the test, you don't have to press after that. You can release the button when it starts sounding with this beeping. You can release the button, and yeah, it looks good. I mean, I will have to watch this for 1 minute. If it blinks once in a minute, it will be okay. So yeah, and my recommendation is, if you do that, it's very important to protect your ears, like with some kind of earplugs, before you start doing anything. And yeah, I did it too before I made all these tests, and I also made this video with the earplugs, so maybe it sounds a little bit silly, especially at the beginning. So anyway, I hope I was able to help you. So once again, the most important thing is pull down. If you have this button at the bottom, so then pull down to this direction. So that's really important, and it needs some kind of power to do that. So yeah, that's it. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions, just write to the comment section below, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.